Good students, today we will study about classifying things and living and non-living things. In practice test paper, only two chapters are given. First, classifying things, and second, living and non-living things. You prepare of these two chapters only for practice test. After this, here we study about classifying things and living and non-living things. Classifying things, we are surrounded two types of things. Some things are living and some things are not living. In this case, things are classified or divided into two cases, two forms as living things and non-living things. These have different types of their properties. On this basis, we call him living and non-living things. Here, things around us, two types, living things and non-living things. Okay? Here, living things as plant, human, animals, plants, human, animals, fish, some insects. Are insects? These are living things. After this, living things has many characteristics. Living things have many characteristics as grow. Characteristics: living things can grow, living things can move by themselves, and living things can breathe. Living things can breathe. Living things can eat. Living things can reproduce to increase as young. But here in non-living things, two types of non-living things. Once time alive. One time some are found alive, as wood, seashell, wood. In first time, wood found from plants. The plant one time living, after some time converted to wood. Thus, one time alive, wood, seashell, as seashell also. At that time, seashell found in living, and after some time found in non-living. So one time alive, as wood and seashell, etc. After this, never live, जो कभी भी etc. After this, the characteristic of non-living things as do not grow. The living things, non-living things do not grow. ये कभी बढ़ते नहीं हैं. Do not move by themselves. और ये कभी स्वयं चल नहीं सकते. Do not breathe. जो कभी सांस नहीं लेते हैं, ये कभी सांस नहीं लेते हैं. Do not eat. न तो खा सकते हैं. Do not reproduce. न तो अपनी संतान की वृद्धि कर सकते हैं. These types of characteristics are found in non-living things. But here, living things, these types of properties are found in living things. Grow, move, breathe, eat, reproduction. And after this, reverse it. Not grow, move, not breathe, not eat, not reproduce. These are characteristics are found. Opposite of this. These characteristics are opposite of this. Okay, students. After here, I look here. Grouping, classifying word here. Look here in the book. Shape, characteristics of things. It is depend on shape, purpose, use, color and size. You learn it clearly. After this, here, look here students. How to show classification of as wooden items, plastic items, electronic items. These are shown by a classification shown by diagram. Wooden item as bed, board, almari, shoe rack, and plastic item is in lunch box, tumbler, means drinking glass, water bottle, lunch box, tumbler, water bottle. These are plastic items. Here, electronic items in which television, cell phone, computer. These are electronic items. You learn clearly of it, which is very important. After this, here classification chart by chart. Items means wooden item as bed, wardrobe, shoe rack. Here plastic items, lunch box, tumbler, water bottle. Here electronic item is television, cell phone, computer. So these are the classification chart and classification table for we can classify of this, and in flow chart by this method we can show of this. After this, here the correct options. Arranging things into the group, the basis of their characteristic is called classification. Objective type question, which is very important. We classify things on the basis of both here similarities of characteristic, different in characteristic. Both of these is very important. Both of these correct. After this, here helps us understand diversity. Classification. Look here, classification. After this short answer question, you learn all. What is characteristics, classification, organism. These are the answer. What is the quantity of a person or things called characteristic? And all the things you surrounded are grouped into two categories, living and non-living things, are known as classification. And C, depend on organism. Third, in C, organism. After this, These types of questions you learn clearly, which is very important. Thus, these types of classification of things around us in which you are living and non-living things. You learn clearly, and all two chapters classifying and living and non-living chapter. Questions are asked from two chapters. Okay, students, you learn all with clearly. Okay, students, thank all of you.